What's good, everybody? Big Mike back. Today we've got a Murders at Karlov Manor Collector booster. I gotta be honest, I kind of overlooked this set when it first came out. But, you know, those Surveil lands are great. Let's see, is this one backwards? Yeah, we got the rares up front. So we'll do a little pack shuffle. Got a Mountain, Sample Collector, Reckless Detective, Persuasive Interrogators, Rakish Scoundrel, Innocent Bystander, Auspicious Arrival, Extract a Confession, our Clue Token, Analyze the Pollen, Meticulous Archive, Merchant of Truth, Assassin's Trophy, Barbed Servitor, Not on My Watch, and It Doesn't Add Up.
Yeah!